Today I'm gonna do some review with some products which I got from like Miniso. It's not really strange thing, but like something very useful, like whatever, like you just see normal, but it is quite useful. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use. I got two things. One is water bottle. This one. Yeah. So okay, let's start with the water bottle. It did nothing special, but I like the reason I would like to share is the color, and then like the structure of the color, and then like it's I like this like door, like which is quite cute. I thought like that. So yeah, that is my first thing I would like to share. And another thing I would like to share is this mirror. So okay, so this mirror have three things to stick on anything. So okay, usually as you see there is one mirror there. I used to use that mirror for my skincare, or like for my sometimes like I do my makeup or whatever. But you know, like sometimes I'm lazy to, mostly not sometimes, I'm lazy to stand there and then do something skincare. So it's like mostly I don't really do the skincare at the night time, because I'm standing there and I'm doing skincare. I'm lazy to do that. So I got this from Miniso. It has the like charger port, and then it has one button here like to do lights on. So you can, this is quite portable. I will show you. So you can use for me, I can use as a mirror like this, or if I want longer, I do like this. So this quite useful. Sometimes like I'm watching anime, but I would like to do some like facial massage with the gua sha, and I would like to see myself as well, and I would like to watch the anime as well. So I stick on the laptop, and then I put like that. It's like just stable, see, as you see. And then another way to use this mirror. So okay, as you see, there's quite dark in the video, so you can use it as a light, ring light. So when you take video, it's like that. So I think which is quite useful. And then if you want to do what's it called, skincare video or makeup video, or you can use the mirror to do some makeups, and then you can also take video in one time. So yeah, well, I feel like it is quite useful because and then it is quite portable, as you see. So it has the lights, and then for me, I have no space to get the big mirror, so there's no space. I just already have this kinds of small tables. So I need to if I sit here, if I want to use this table, I always need to remove all of my stuff there. If it is big mirror, it's gonna like break. So this one I can put anywhere, and I can sit here. I can use as like this or like that, whatever. Sometimes like I just want like quick mirror using. I just use like that. So well, which is quite useful. I feel like that. So I hope this video, like this product recommendation video, could be helpful for you guys, could be useful for you guys. So please, if you want one of them, you can go to the Miniso. UK I don't know about the other Miniso, but you can go to the UK Miniso. You can get it from them. So they have some other different colors, but I'm pink lover, so I have like pink water bottle, pink pink mirror, and then pink phone screen. Phone case. Yeah, everything pink. So okay, see you in the next video. To get more videos, please follow my Instagram or please subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.